Hey, I'm Doodle Dog, and this is my drawing show where we draw cool stuff together. On today's episode, we're going to draw a frog. So, grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle! Let's start right here on the page and draw the top of the head first. A curved line like this. Now we're going to draw the top of the eye. A big curved line like this. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. And now the other eye over here. Starting here, another curved line up like this. It's kind of like a half circle. Alright, now let's draw the side of the head. Starting here at this point, a curved line down like this. Take your time. Now the other side of the head, starting here. A curved line. Curving the other way. Down like this. Now let's draw the eyes. A circle starting here. And now let's do it on the other side. A circle here. Now we're going to draw the highlights inside the eyes. A smaller circle here. And an even smaller circle here. Let's do the same on this side. A circle here. Now a smaller circle here. Let's color it in black. Let's color this side now. Now we got some frog eyes. Now let's draw the mouth. We'll make it a happy frog. A curved line right in the middle like this. You're doing great. And now at this point, another curved line down like this. Curve it around, and it'll make his mouth open. Let's draw the tongue, a curved line connecting across. Now let's color in the mouth. That looks great! Okay, let's draw the body now. Starting over here, we're going to draw a curved line down for the side of the body. Now let's do the same on the other side. Starting here, a curved line down. Okay, now let's draw the front legs. Okay, starting here, a curved line up. And now back to that point. 3 curve lines for the toes. 1, 2, 3. And now a curved line back up to finish off one of the front legs. Like this. Okay, let's draw the belly line here across, and just a short line and stop. And let's draw the other front leg now. Starting here, we're going to draw the line up. And now back at that same point, we're going to draw the toes. 1 toe. 2 toe. 3 toe. And now we'll finish off that front leg with a line up like this. Okay, now we're going to draw the back legs. These are the legs that make the frog hop. They're big and long. Here's a big curving line starting here, up and around and back down, and then stop. Don't close it off. And now a little line in between there, starting here, up, like that. Now we're going to draw the back feet. So a little curved line starting there. And then 1 toe. 2 toe. 3 toe. Now let's draw the other back leg. Starting here, a big curved line that goes around like this. Up and over and back down, but don't close it off. Now a little line inside here, starting there and up, just like the other side. Okay, let's draw the last foot now. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes around and hooks back and stops. And now another toe. And the final toe. And top of the foot. There he is. Happy Frog. Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab some markers, crayons, or colored pencils, and let's go. I'm gonna make my frog green, but you can make your frog any color you want. Don't forget the tongue. Remember to always sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.